All right. You got it going.
Hold on.
Remember that? The deal with the couch.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it right in half. Yeah.
Yeah, cut it up into strips. Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
They don't have to be little strips. They can be sizable strips.
I'll do this. I'll just stay. There you go.
All right. Go ahead and let's cut the bottom. Mm-hmm.
It'll just.
Yeah, yeah, like that side. Cut that. Yeah. Okay, that'll work then. See, now that'll work.
This will do the same thing. I'll cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Really?
You want this cut?
Which one?
This one broke. Or stacked.
I guess you could cut that in half. That'll make it about the size of these others. I think you had it right the first time, didn't you?
Yeah, but whatever actually falls apart, it'll fall into the blade.
Okay.
This way it'll fall away.
Smooth.
Nice and smooth.
It's nice having the right tool to do the job, isn't it? And I decided to go with the cordless battery powered one as opposed to the gasoline like I did the last time. Because the gasoline, man, that was just, it was not only messy, but I had to put it in the shop every year. Uh-huh.
Are you looking at that?
Yeah. You got a hammer?
Sure.